Our first national park in the continental United States is Yellowstone, with its beauty of nature and wildlife. Hey there, nature enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the breathtaking beauty of Yellowstone National Park, exploring its geysers, wildlife, and the magnificent rivers that flow through it. So, let's get started. Yellowstone National Park is a true gem, covering over 3,468 square miles of stunning landscapes. It's home to over 67 species of mammals, 310 species of birds, and 16 species of fish. The park's geothermal features, like the famous Old Faithful geyser, are a sight to behold. The park's rivers, including the Yellowstone River, are a testament to its success. The river flows through the park for 21 miles, providing a vital habitat for fish and other aquatic life. The Yellowstone River is also a significant source of water for the park's ecosystem, supporting a diverse range of plants and animals. The park's wildlife is truly incredible. You can spot bison, elk, wolves, and even bears roaming the park's vast landscapes. The park's diverse ecosystem is a testament to its success in preserving and protecting wildlife. In conclusion, Yellowstone National Park is a true wonder of nature. Its geysers, wildlife, and rivers are a testament to the park's success in preserving and protecting our natural environment. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Yellowstone National Park. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing nature stories. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating.
We named him Socks. Can you figure out why? Snow. Socks.
The white button. There you go. Oh my God, buddy, your little cheek is getting so full.
Like feeling full. That's what they eat later.
Well, y'all, this was our camping spot for the night. Had a little fire pit, but we didn't start no fires, so we were tired. We got our bed ready and went to sleep. Catch you later in the next episode.
Jets of boiling water.
Oh, yeah. Show us the spot. Yeah. Well, now when I go to town,
Can you see what it is?